Children, in this video we are going to learn about anisotropy and isotropy. What is meant by anisotropy and what is meant by isotropy? Generally, a solid having many physical properties. Some of the physical properties we can say that is stress, strain, refractive index, electrical conductivity, coefficient of thermal expansion, stiffness. Likewise, many properties possessed by the solids. So, if you are measuring these properties for a solid in all the sites for consider, generally you consider this is a solid. Just for an example. So, if you are measuring a particular property in this side, in this side, in this side, in this side, we will be getting different values. Measuring the different property in different directions, we will be getting different values. So, that measured value of this physical property sometimes having same value, sometimes having different value. If it is same, it is called as isotropy. If it is different, it is called as anisotropy. That only we are going to see now. So, what is meant by isotropy? What is meant by anisotropy? Isotropy means having same value. Anisotropy means having different value. So, in a book, a diagram given. Yes, see here. Orderly arrangement, bigger sized atom, then smaller sized atom, then bigger sized atom, then smaller sized, bigger sized, small. Likewise, orderly arranged. Orderly arranged means crystalline solid. Crystalline solid only orderly arrangement. So, if we are measuring the property, any one of the physical property in direction A as well as in direction B. See, if you are measuring in direction A, this side similar atoms are having. This side, if it is a cation, this is an anion. See, this side you see alternate arrangement. So, both the sides different arrangement of atoms. So, what happens? The values cannot be same. This when we are measuring this side, different type of atoms. When we are measuring this side, different types of atom. So the value is different. That is called anisotropy. But if you are taking isotropy, if you are taking amorphous solids, here random arrangement. Here you see, you cannot see the proper arrangement, randomly arranged. Now here, if you are measuring in A direction as well as B direction. See, in A direction, small, big, small, big, small, big. Here also small, big, small, big, small, big. This side also small, big, small. Likewise. So what happens? Arrangement here is correct. So here the property does not differ. The value does not differ. So here we are getting same value. Even if though the arrangement is different, but we are getting the value of physical property when measured in different directions, we are getting it in same value. So that is called isotropy. So amorphous solids possesses isotropy. Anisotropy possessed by the crystalline solids. Crystalline solids, even though the arrangement is proper, but the value is different. But in amorphous, the arrangement is in random, but you are getting the same value. That is called as isotropy and anisotropy. I think children, you are all clear now. Many physical properties, refractive index, electrical conductance, etc. Many physical properties. So in all the directions, anisotropy means having different values of physical properties along different directions. Isotropy means same value along different directions.